Okay, we are now focused on ebooks. What I want to focus today is Science Direct. It is under Subscribe Online Databases. You scroll down, you will see Science Direct, this one. Science Direct, you can see here, it covers so many subjects, which is architecture, environmental, designs, economics, engineering, ICT, language, medical science. So click on it. Okay, so this is the main interface for Science Direct. Okay, you will see on top here the boxes, okay, which is enables you to do the basic search by putting keywords, author's name, journal, or book title, volume, and so on, and then just click the button search. Okay, if you know the author's name, you can just put author's name. If you know the book or journal title, and just put. But if you don't have any idea, you can just put any keywords. Okay, this is the basic search. What about the advanced search? Let's see what it provides for you. In advanced search, you can see here you will have the year of this affiliation, and then click show all field. You can see more search techniques. Let's start the search for ebooks. Let's say I want to search by using book title, since I have a book title. Okay, I want to search for Census of Mechatronics. You can see here it will tells you it has two kind of version, which is 2012 and 2018. If you want this 2012 straight away, you can just click, but for me I want to just go for general search. So from here you can see it will tells you 33 results, and then there is limitation button to refine your search. If let's say you want to filter by 2018, you can just click on it, and you want to filter by 2012, you can just click on it also. And then from here you can see the download button. If you click on it, you actually are downloading for a chapter of a book. Okay, because why? It tells you here book chapter. What if I want to download for the whole books? What I need to do is I have to click on the book title. You will see the details here, and then you click on the download all chapter. This enables you to download from front cover up until the back cover of the books. You will get the whole books, but in online version. It will take some time because it will give you in zip file. What if I want to download only the chapter? We go again, click on the title. If you scroll down, you can see there are lists of book chapter. Okay, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and so forth. Okay, if you think that you want this page only, this chapter only, you can just click download PDF, and then you will see this kind of chapter for chapter 2 of a textbook. Okay, alright, so on the top here you can click here to download, or you can straight away print if you are connected to printer.